Welcome back to our channel KNN Vlogs. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the most important topic of this world, I think, which is health and well-being. This video is designed to give you tips and about how you can improve your actions in the life to have a healthy lifestyle. It is not meant to be all inclusive but will include major components that are considered to be a parts of a lifestyle that leads to a good health. In addition to these tips about what people should do for healthy living, this video will help and mention some of the tips about avoiding actions that lead to unhealthy life. Healthy living to most people means both physical and mental health are in balance or functioning well together in a person. In many instances, physical and mental health are closely linked so that a change in good or bad are directed to each other and affects that other. Consequently, some of the tips will include suggestions for emotional and mental healthy living. So the first point which I want to clear is healthy eating. All humans have to eat food for growth and maintenance of a healthy body, but we humans have different nutrition requirements. Or infants, children, kids, teenagers, young adults, and seniors. For example, infants may require feeding every 4 hours until they gradually age and being to take in more solid foods. Eventually, they develop into the more normal pattern of eating 3 times per day as a young kids. However, the most of the parents knows kids, teenagers, young adults often snack between meals. Snacking is often most limited to these age group because adults and seniors often do the same. Eat 3 healthy meals a day: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. As you all know, it is important to remember that dinner does not have to be the largest meal. The bulk of the food consumption should consist of the healthy food such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, low fat milk products. Choose foods that are low in saturated fats and cholesterol, salt, sodium, and added sugar. Control portion sizes, eat the smallest portion that can satisfy your hunger. Healthy snacks are okay in moderation and avoid sodas and sugars because these are excessive in calories and sugar. If a person is angry or depressed, eating will not solve these situations. You may have to undergo problems worse. Avoid rewarding children with sugary snacks such as patron may become a lifelong habit for people. Cooking foods destroy most harmful bacteria and other pathogens. If you choose to eat uncooked food like fruits or vegetables, they should be thoroughly washed with running treated tap water. Avoid eating raw or undercooked meats of any type. People with diabetes should use the above tips which I have given in this video to to monitor their glucose levels. People with unusual work schedules, night shifts, college students, etc., should try to adhere a breakfast, lunch, and dinner routine with minimal snacking. Seek medical advice early if you cannot control your weight, food intake, or if you have diabetes. Physical activity and exercise is a major contributor to the health lifestyle people need to use their bodies and disuse leads to unhealthy living. Unhealthy living may manifest itself in obesity, weakness, lack of endurance, and overall poor health may foster disease development. So all of you guys stay healthy, which is very important for us. Thanks for watching video.